Near me fear na me ba no begin $150. And sana me rim. Master way and yet extortion. And yet extortion. Say me and me ba me fear no begin $150. Corona me test wa here $5. And my miss me corona and children. Roni ako ye in charge of Ghana airport and san on Susan or your monum sa. Then when I Ghana we need to airport to a try. So be so we better $150 and san me Ghana. I then Ghana there for sale.
Ebusiafo anope ya ensuo kese bi ato Accra na as usual say ensuo to Accra you know what to expect in Accra. Enfoni amon on screen so ina pictures of what is currently happening in Accra after the heavy downpour. Ebusia na etomre bi a ho say etomre bi aya na me bomodin ase anka metimi ate bibini ase. Anka metimi ate how abibini adwen no ese function ase na so me ya menti ase e before ebusia ye hwe video we na se wi as usual ma kire madwen ye hwe video we Miraho ebusia Accra no ye Accra no ye capital city of Ghana Accra no no enso to kakra bi asabi nipa enya baby ntina enso to kakra bi asabi nipa enya baby mpo na watu ni 9 SC enso to kakra bi asabi gese unya ebi akodo anase kanu bi now they are come baby awokobia because the whole city is down. Ebusia ensa de we every year is see Suta brebia is see every year is see Suta brebia is see now so ebepim sa amre yentimi nsu ye nyansa empe kwan bia ye betimi asolve sa problem we once and for all. You see, that is the difference between the black man and the white man. The white man finds solutions to problems, they fix problems, but the black man always just go around it in circles, praying and hoping for an unseen God, for an unseen force or an unseen spirit to make a change in his or her life. And if I say problem we a problem by pa na yentimi solve. A problem by pa na yentimi solve. How big is the problem or how worse is the problem that we have not been able to solve for over the years? Afibia so to say ebi wu afibia so to na ebi hwe mo nkwa afibia so to properties are destroyed afibia so to businesses are shattered afibia so to just businesses come to a halt until now. Governments come, governments go. None of these governments have been able to find a lasting solution to this problem. No wonder Shatawale said Ghana is a village, and I'll keep saying this thing. Ghana is indeed a village.
Ghana be village.
Of course, Ghana is a village, and it's true. It's a fact. You cannot only blame our leaders and you can't only blame the people. You have to blame both of them, because the attitude of the average Ghanaian is full of indiscipline. And at the end, so Ghana for ABAB is as the result or as a fact to say, penny for they have proven to be incompetent. Because last me can say, Bonikro and say Abofono, Sabi omu ni pa bi chen ye ni o. Anase sabi chese omu ye sonko bi chen ye ni o. Debi nia ema broni behave se nipa woni krom ni se emra no oma hyehye. Emra no ewo ho edi sabi so yo dwan po a emra no be mo adane nipa. Sabi so ya ponche mpo a emra no be mo adane nipa. Edi last me catch madam Fobi and he was just laughing. I told him say the American system is in such a way say if you can even go and put a dog in the White House, the country America will still go on smoothly, because the policies, the laws, and the mechanisms they have put in place will force that dog to behave and lead the country like a human being. So it's about time I say penny for putting in place good systems, because you see, once you become a leader, you must be able to understand your people. If there's something that your people are doing now, sit down and think, say, why are these people behaving this way? And find a solution to that behavior. One, education. You see, and education, you can as software have a role to play, because they are controlling the minds of millions of people. If they can say, mobile tina mas right demo, aye next week one be aye owo timetable no so we are some alefo, so we are mortuary workers. So it's a some mobile tina mas right demo e di for mu ntie me mo de ma masomra ha. It's a say mobile tina mas right demo anase mo offices aye owo timetable. Why they do this year and in your next year no more use some pulpit to educate the people on the need to keep their environments clean, on the need say and who here say on better omu enwura no egu gatamu, because enwura na omu to gu gatamu no and one a block gata na say in so to isan say in so no enya baby infant na akose flooding. Educate them on the need. They say o unam krom na say better pure water and na say better sabi yogurt na say farm milk bi anoma onum wi a mento rapper no ntwene bobo rapper no fa cho botom na uduru ba bia that's being war and also uduru ba bia ball wa odi atom. Use your purpose for something positive. Use your purpose to educate the people. Use your purpose to improve on the lives of the people and not to give them death sentences, and not to scare them with death, and not to extort money from them. Abusia me last time because o share Odona river na eda Kwame Nkrumah interchange circle wow o share sa Odona gata na sabi eye broni Nkrumah ka samre sa river no aka boat na nam so madam football Thailand o say George Thailand de ha enso bi da Bangkok omo capital city num na sanso no se wa amen na obedwe se eye river ana se eye clean water bi enye clean water o eye sewage and oma connect e the adame ne kese and ababeye a means of water transport for them. It is a traffic at here. You have other route. You can use the water to go to your house. And ababeye a place of beauty. Se wa me se wa mfasua se wo nam so a ne sentinel and ebema wo hu se in so a sewage. Now from afar no, you might think it's a clean water. This is how we develop, and this is how countries are built by competent leaders. Edio maini Ediebe of my crowd, you ya, my yakasa. Ediebe of my penny. What do you want the youth to do? Do you want by force? Do you want the youth to, rise against you before you get to know, say, the youth are unhappy with what is going on in the country? The Kwame Nkrumah Ghana penny. Odona nso na Broni Nkrumah ka samre boat na nam so no samre ameka se kohwe kwabrane te ho a sabi o jana na igum kwabrane sai ho a o jana na igum me wan so ko sabi public toilet a say na betua oko public toilet a say na betua because of some few persons a betua akọ public toilet nti na o sai nso no ho na o jana na igum ofa ne ball anu ato gum oko ye bichi sa tantantan oko Broni bicha kama oko Broni bicha kama oko bibini bicha ya nko ayesi no Mo amoba Ghana, mo boga fa moba Ghana ya na mko beach no. Mo dem compare the color of our ocean to the color of the ocean of the white man. Yeah, ocean no I black because of the fin and the gutters are quality community. Yeah, ocean no I black. Ocean brony ocean blue, green pool, green. Idea the high. Idea the high. And when we wake up, we want to command respect from the white people. Command with respect. You respect yourself. Ubu hua anka sebi ongogo sai empuano enya wanan engu ho. Ubu hua anka on sai sebi river ho anasa gata ho enya wanan engu. And I don't only blame the citizens, I also blame the leaders. Monso make us say nanka monso ma create system where the moment I be obi beto ewu egu baby anasa ye bechi obi say ebia no mpia water na or to atwen nanka ma soa saa nipa no nanka ma fine no anasa let there be discipline ekura me wom sesi ye aha say ya making ya banning pure water ya banning polythene bags and all these things, so the country has become a bit cleaner than before. Itimunim say monkofo no matter how hard you try to hit on them, do not behave. Ban those things. Mon ban is pure water no. Na mon country fan milk company they say they should find a more appropriate way to market their fan milk and just ban them. Ban them because all they care about is to sell the product. Where the wrapper ends or what the people do with the end with the waste product, they don't care. But aboche nentisa aboche no right from obeto product no to say obe use to say obe dispose process. Ni na no a process. That is why their countries are clean. There's proper waste management. Omo kasa a collective waste. Omo kasa a preparable thing. Omo everything has been put in place. That is why I'm telling you, say a hono sabi. So yeah, nanchi anasa we Jimmy for kura. The system and how the country has been built will force you to behave like a human being. Madam via me need komo. Okacha me say emira first time I will to kwa US. Emira oti plane mu oba be landi o New York no. Or just or share plane window numa ohu New York send ye na asanya he felt as if we have removed some blindfold from his eyes. Not dreaming as a sign. The environment alone will change your mentality. The environment alone will change the way you reason and the way you think. The environment alone will change your concept of reasoning. That's the white man's country for you. It is let us number one have a development plan. Let us find ways and means to discipline the people. Yen create Zoom Lion balance here. You say how effective Zoom Lion is anymore. Zoom Lion has been there since 4 times. They say yes, go say almost pretty you name idea be establish bia ye your maintenance culture is poor. And boys and then I'm Accra and I'm with abobo ya fefa baller free few mu into a baller now unim say or the call down side to Accra bia obetri a obeto ra de gu honti or rade bike na edru ba bia hwa na so bia hwe ope pu mu hwegwo wo do ti don no odwane. But when we have a proper waste management system where we have companies who are managing the waste, who are moving from house to house to collect people's waste, Sanima will not a jai and Sana will be licensed say uncle from house to house and collecting waste, Now you who say Nipano or you're competent, who's a Nipano, there are some rules I never man obey this. We don't just sit there and just allow people to behave and do anything that they want. I think we are living in a jungle. So to say, yeah, this way and so to you find people who go and pray in churches. You find people who go and pray in churches crying on their God to help Ghana out of this flooding. Forgetting say flooding way is as a result of their own indiscipline. It's as a result of their own doing. It's as a result of their own inability to reason, think and find solutions to problems. Edi o mai na bibi basa ni etimu. Edi o mai kre ni edi o mai kre ni. And your micro problem bako for more than 50 years you intimi solve flooding problem bako you intimi solve besine. That is why for me whether NPP or NDC I rubbish both of them because to me and these are signs. We want to see the foundation being laid. We want to live in a clean environment. We want to see things are working in Ghana and in so munape nani pesro Obua obedano in so be any them obe sorry no na sabi ne mattress na fluti adan e dey kroni which kind of country is this? Sabi mama ye looking sharp. Why? Mama ye looking sharp na enye se na broni chire ne mai. Ene ye hu broni mai ana ye ni abreko obi a peso ko broni krom. Se na broni chire ne mai anka nye se anka nye ne se obru mojani a chese wakwa gina embassy se omoma sticker se na be ya obetimi eto kwan akomu krom no broni obuilding ni krom ni ye. It is a young so per se. He said, "Cry crab are easier for us to develop." It depends on America because abafono any kind extra a sano ato amaya that all we have to do is to follow their footsteps. Following their footsteps, like crab cannot do it. Just follow their footsteps. You are not going to create anything. You are not going to invent anything. Whatever you need, the foundation has already been laid by the white people. Almost at the pace in now. Just follow their footsteps and make your country great. And look like a crab, we cannot do it. Which kind of people are we? Which kind of brains do we have? And what sort of people are we? I thought maybe Ghana, Ebusian for I don't know. Black man. Blackie. Black man. Black. Nipatuntun. Black. How? Nyami obo bibi ni je wedi bibi ni abro. Wedi bibi ni abro. One man resources BAB. One man bi BAB. Sebi nyansa. Went me money bi. Nyansa went me money bi. Na ma obi aduane. Na se one man nipa no ano a odi bedi asebi aduane no onfe run hwinim. Sebi aduane no onfe run hwinim. Hey. Ebusia for change na ye can change no. It begins with you and I. Yen nyina no in our own small way. Yen shase en change yadwen. Yen shase en change yadwen. Na ya na ya ne say Ghana for sebi ye jimia to the level say obi free abocheba na say obi anything na say bia obi no fan milk na oto twene na say wo bo hu muso ko ka kye say da bi ade na wo yesa enye sa fashion botum na do be that's been wa odi atuma de obi di watem no jai tunu sem no e de Ghana ye masa wo tell so kuta oti abochira Ghana nya abochiri wo pa ko abochiri aha de say Ghana de won say ye no then they just talk this kind of rubbish to you. Into go kwampo even if he's educated kwampo he doesn't feel the zeal to help to educate people. Yen change your mindset to yan change Ghana e be say sa Ghana enye ye da ye be bra bresa mi wa no solutions na ye hia no e ye bibi nioma ketenkete bi to be able to solve our problems. And nioma ketenkete bi me kai conform reso the vice president at that time Alhaji Aliu Mahama e ye campaign for discipline yeah akwa go see baby why because campaign for discipline, no, it should be backed with certain punishment and you have to use force. You cannot use just talking and timidity to control black people. Black people behave like goats, so you have to also be a harsh leader. Tie here on Penia, obet me a sacrifices on there. So 4 years per crop se Ghana from to man be ma or pena or bar. Offer discipline, emla or minum. We want the likes of Gaddafi and those people to rule and lead Ghana. Shawo chisa or chiwo street is now utu regwani a pet baby de chawo chi next time do fiabe so nyanza next time do fiabe so nyanza pale fufuo ni banku na obofie enso nya gbuna pet ma hwehwe ni na kwakobu data mu sabi moadwen wai moadwen nya juma sabi moadwen nya juma enso de hweme say sa de bakro na oduru boni krom a onye sa da do you know why and utra maka kira wo say sabi boni krom no oduru ho a uyo dwan kra wo beda nipa because system no em permit for you to misbehave. That's all free body chrome. That's what I do Ghana pay obey behavior because you need system be a forcing nipa to behave like nipa. If you ain't create this system, say no solution no. Yen share sana abrofuno echa no. Na yen so yentimi sua enfollow enfam build yen mind. Sabe pepe ne no. Learning from people is not a crime. Learning sense from other people is not a crime. It's not a shame. Yensuya, near yen fan developing your mind be. Near so yen be discipline. Emra society no. Hosem. Ebusuya. Hosem. The word to the wise is enough. You say you can force the horse to the river, but you cannot force the horse to drink the river. The word to the wise is enough. Machirema drink. Near wa sopano wontie. Near unia sonso no Ghana say ya. Enya me free mind nkwa ne say ma me say ma yina. It's as simple as that. Me do as say wa hwe me. Me do as say wa tie me. My name is George Freemind and you're part of the Freemind family. And see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Have a lovely day. Enjoy your weekend. Peace. Bless up. Bye.